think this is video 8, and I'm not going to do anything like route based or parameter based. I think we're going to clean up some of these routes. Notice everything I've been doing is just back end, and now let's do a little bit of housekeeping. So we're going to define a route that's going to manage all of our returns. Not totally, but it'll be a little cleaner. So I'm going to say handle response, and it's going to get data and an error if there is an error, and basically it's going to do all this. That every route that I had been writing in the last, it looks the same, right? So let's just take all that repeat code and stick it down here. So data, so if there is data, the count is equal to the length of the data, because almost everything we send back is going to be an array or a list. And if the count, well, it's not always false. So if error is none, we're going to say get rid of this, and we're always going to say count is the length of data. Even if data is 0, it doesn't mean the success is false. So we're going to say if error, then success is false. Otherwise, success is true. So we'll just go ahead and say that. So success is true, count is equal to the length of data, which could be 0. And then if there's an error, we set success to false. And then we just stick all that into a package. So we got success, count, results points to data, and error points to, let's do this. We don't want to put an error keyword in there unless we have to. So we'll say this result is equal to this dictionary, and we'll build the dictionary here. And then if error, we say success is false, and then we'll say result sub error is equal to the error that was passed in. Then we'll return JSONify that result. So if I take this now, so now everything here I can just say return handle response, and if I just send data, what happens? Data comes down, it gets counted. If I don't have an error, then we're good. If there is an error, then I can handle it and I can send it back. I'm not going to put that in right yet, but basically this will replace all this, all this. Yeah, and we already got cleaner. But of course we need to test it, so we need to run it. And we go on the front end. First of all, we reload. Count 72 results as an array. Success is true. Back up, back up, back up. Categories 38, success is true. There's book, whatever. What? Count is 8. That's the size of the dictionary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be a 1. But look, it's not in a list. That's my fault. We can clean that up later. Alright, I think that's going to be the last video of the night. And tomorrow I'll start in on, I don't know, some HTML stuff on the front end. Does this stuff have anything to do with maps? No. But it has a lot to do with routes and getting data. And that's really what it's about, is sending a response back, or a request to get a response back that you can handle on the front end.